Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
So everybody began to look up. So Simeon, on the third day, when he got those enemies to circumcise, he attacked them and killed all of them off to revenge for the sister that was raped. That was a Simeon in the Bible. Even the father, Jacob, was so scared of Simeon that he gave him little portion of land, manna. When God himself was never angry with Simeon, because what happened was that when the tribe of Judah now wanted to go and occupy, but their enemies overwhelmed them, so they had to come and beg Simeon to help them to conquer the enemies, and the enemies were conquered, and now Simeon got all the portion of land he would have gotten in the first place from God himself. So, correlation ife abuna. God has used you, our PM, lovely PM, handsome PM. Nwachi Njoko, God have used you. Nwa mmadụ. Gaga n'ogwe anụ kpọrọ nkụ na-eju ọnụ. God have used you to revenge, if I na-akpọkwa massive revenge on our enemies. Pagafafu na ọ na-eme. I want to welcome you, Mazi, our PM, with high tea of England, of 80 Ejema, to welcome you, Itasisia, Abacha, Tasisia, Fenina, Iweluzia high tea, Ndi Britain, where Muchasisia, Mudayani. You are very much welcome. We love you. I love you so much. Mazi Simon Ekpa, you don't know what you have done to all our health, our lives, our dignity as in the BIAFRA. I really love you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Rose Obonna. We appreciate you. Thank you. We move to the next person, Adendo Osumoke. Please open your mic and ask your question. Make it brief. Adendo Osumoke, are you there?
He's talking. He's talking. Listen to me.
Adendo, are you there?
Okay.
Yeah.
Good evening, our Prime Minister. Welcome to the UK. I'm here from Belgium, and I would like to support the initiative with 40 Ejema BLT.
Thank you so much, Adende. We appreciate you. Thank you. The next on the list is Mazi Echerenwa. Mazi Echerenwa, can you open your mic and ask your question? Mazi Echerenwa, are you there? Okay, Mazi Echerenwa is getting ready. We move to the next person.
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, please.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, my ministers. My PM, I thank you. Welcome to Britain. We're happy to see you. Jideki na ekwoge n'azụ. Eji m 50 ejemma na-asị gị welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mazi Echerenwa. We appreciate your gift. Thank you. The next is Helen Peters. Helen Peters. Helen Peters, are you there?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. Good evening, our Prime Minister, the Agbadagburu of our time. We really appreciate you. You are welcome to United Kingdom. I'm going to donate $50 to welcome you as our Prime Minister, and we thank you for what you are doing. I'm also using it to remind you of our people at Okwama. They are all suffering over there. I don't know how you are going to rescue them, but please, we are begging you not to forget them. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Copied. Thank you.
Thank you. So your PM had you. The next person is Samsung X510. Samsung X510. Please, it will be nice that you put your name, you know, change whatever device you're coming with, change it to your name. Samsung SMX 510.
Yes.
Yeah, go
Sorry,
ahead.
my brother is there. I'm very, very, very poor in technology. That's why I would have loved to do it. I got this. So I'm sorry. Oh, my name is Priscilla Zubinge. So, did you get that? Can you hear me?
Yes, I got it. Go ahead.
Okay. Right. My Prime Minister, thank you so much. Welcome. I just want to welcome you to United Kingdom. In fact, the boy that made that presentation brought memories to me because I'm a victim of the Nigerian Biafra war. Gabon did take our children. Israel took a lot as well. So those two countries, we owe them an obligation. Very, 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 because our children were sent there. So I worked I was a young girl at the time, but we were the people that did Obunigwe, the research and production did the Obunigwe that finished Nigeria. 22 armored cars were, you know, so I'm sure everybody knows that as history. So right now I'm remembering people like Professor Ezilo, Professor Ezife, and Professor Oragu. So wherever they are now, God will remember them because those are the people that saved us during the war. I want to thank you especially for the way you're looking after our soldiers. When I remember our soldiers during the Biafra war, they were in ragtag. We didn't have anything. They were fighting with no boots, no shoes, tattered shirts. But when I see them now, it makes me very, very happy. I want to thank you again because you have restored my hope. You have given me inspiration. I did not know I will live to see today. So whatever it takes, by the grace of God, I will keep supporting as much as I can. I'm a pensioner, but I will do my best. I find that for those of us, those who are sitting on the fence, I want to call them. At the moment, my observation is that our support is skewed to 10 to 90. So those who are actually helping are 10 and those who are on the fence are 90. I'm praying to see it reverse. Let it be 90 to 10 so that we will be able, you don't have to come asking us, you know, telling us, so that it will just be freeing. Let me speak in Igbo now. They say, if every Biafra in the whole world could just give 5 ejemma the whole Biafra, say the 90%, we won't need to be asking for donations like this. We will just be carrying us if we have the same commitment and devotion. So I'm begging every Biafra, whatever they are, please join us. This is something that everybody has got to. I am a victim, and I can tell you, Prime Minister Amam, I feel like hugging you. I feel like kissing you. You don't know how much I love you. I can't wait to see you in Finland, to appreciate what you've done for us. For me, it's a restoration of hope and a restoration of my inspiration, and giving me dignity again as a Biafran, as somebody. Thank you so much. I just stopped there. Thank you. So I'm gonna support this thing with 50 ejema. That's what I can afford. It's my widow's mite, but the Lord will make it possible.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Cordelia. Thank you. We appreciate you, Madam Cordelia.
Priscilla.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
thank you, Madam Priscilla. Thank you so much. We appreciate your.
Remind everyone that so when you're on a book, we are so we don't spend the whole night.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Cordelia, can you open your mic and speak? Your hand is up. Cordelia, your hand is up. If you have question, you can go ahead and ask your question. Please make it very, very brief. Less than 1 minute, please.
Okay. Our Prime Minister, His Excellencies, Mazi Simon EKPA, you are welcome to UK. I join my comrades in UK to say welcome. And I want to thank God for your life, because I knew when you joined and spoke with our leader, Mazi, and how things have played up, that today people in Biafra can sleep, not running into the bush. All your effort is appreciated. Everything you are doing, the world is seeing it, even though they refuse to acknowledge it. But I tell you, very soon, they are the one to be calling you to negotiate. And negotiation is Biafra referendum, finish. Thank you so much. I join my comrades in welcoming you, in giving you. They say now there is Odara and Ube, and I'm using 50 ejema to buy you some Ube and Odara. Thank you so much, because you have given hope to all of us that actually lost our hope when our leader was abducted and rendition. A lot of us our health was really affected. But seeing you and what you are doing with all Biafrans, it has actually resurrected us again. And now we can smile. Thank you so much. I welcome all the cabinet ministers, the media warriors, all your work you are doing. You guys are really marvelous. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you, Thank you, Madam Cordelia. We appreciate you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you so much. The next person on the list is Samsung SM-A13. Please, you introduce yourself, open your mic, and let us know who you are.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Christopher Osi. Yeah, my name is Christopher Osi. I'm happy to personally justify the title I gave to our Prime Minister, Chief Not Abughe Manana Akona Som. And you know that all of you that joined this Zoom meeting today, you actually saw that you can't enter here without, if you don't use some of the zero in your number to enter this Zoom meeting. So it is not only in mathematics that zero is important. In every aspect of life, that is who our Prime Minister is. So in order to welcome him, I've already posted my 50 ejima to welcome him to justify that title I gave to him. Chief, not have we here, Manona Akona some. Having said that, I will not interpret that in English, but some of us will understand what it means. Having said that, our Prime Minister came at a point where I can say again that in Igbo, he says that nkutu, kuturu, nkutu, kuturu, kutu, kuturu, kutu, nkuturu, kutu. That means that something happened before something happened, and which is what brought our Prime Minister to this very struggle. And here today, I want to appeal to him, please, my Prime Minister, if you are posting something because of high level of hydra-headed level of illiteracy in this struggle, you posted something like a bullion van that was riddled with bullets. That
Yes.
was not really the intention you have. I commented and said that people will be fooled by what you said. And actually, I know one notorious moron actually responded verbally on that and started saying that it's they started googling and doing some mess. Please, because of the level of illiteracy, and also there's another military man that was shot, you posted. There are certain messages you are trying to pass, but some people doesn't understand. Having said that, that's an appeal. The other one I want to say is, you see this struggle now. The IPOD Nigeria, I don't know where they are, whether they are hot or cold. They are now talking about Fulani cows being killed everywhere. When they say that, they say Ima Powerful is not a name. It's a name of, it's not a name of a person. Anything they write, they still put the name. They also say that Binta Inyaku should resign when they don't even believe in the legal team that is in court already. So I want you to actually address this IPOD Nigeria. Having said that, please, I have a commentary of 2 minutes to run because this is a very important football team in this very place. We have a team that is coming from the zoo, and we have a team here already, which is the Biafran Republic government, both in EZA and in de facto. So the team in the zoo is made up of Binta Inyaku is in goal for them. We know that Shetima is also a notorious terrorist, is also there. We have Tunumbu, the fair drug leader. We have people like China Sanworu playing for the zoo. We have also Emma Powerless playing for the zoo. We have another one, Chike Dozia, also is also playing for the zoo. So for the good team from the Biafra side, we have goal, Dr. Ngozi Orabugo is also there. We have Professor Choma. We have our own Onyendu Mazinam De Carlo, the leader of the Indigenous Province of Biafra. We have the Prime Minister here, who is Obatobie, Sam Monepa. We have Pastor Van Van Van. We have our Minister of Information, Barawa Sima. We have also another person who is playing there, that's Ugo 247. And also the one of our important that idiot is still talking about Tinubu now. So let us mention his name so that we know that the fool have already been kicked out. So we have the final person we have in that list is one of our Commander Gentle, and our General Metu Madube. This is the football match, and in 2 minutes we will see how 2 goals will be scored. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to this very important match. This is a match between the Zoo government and the Biafran government in Eza, and the kick is taken now, and that is Tunumbu. He returned the ball quickly to Shetima, and Shetima now faces China Saworu, and China Saworu returned it there. Who is there? I can see Binti Yaku picking the ball, and that diagonally the ball comes to Obatobi. Obatobi returned to Yendomadu Nandikalo. And Pastor Van is also there. What did they do? He has 2 men to beat. He beat him on the road, and they returned the ball. Tongazo Arabugo put the ball to Professor Choma, and Professor Fanzonian Domadundakal. A chance for Buffalo government in Eza. A shot is taken. A goal. It is a goal. A beautiful goal. 2 seconds into the field of play. The Buffalo government in Eza have scored through Onyen Domazun and the Carlo. Beautiful one. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, God. We have actually scored the first goal. And let us see what is going to happen. We have about 2 minutes to go into this very match again. I can see Shetima is having beaten around. And who comes there? Tunumbu tries to go for the ball. They have been dispossessed. And China Songoro, the criminal, he returned to Chika Doze. Chika Doze have been kicked away by our own Prime Minister Obatobie, and Obatobie now he takes a quick one. They return it to Gazarebugo. And what do they do now? They put the ball 9 meters away from the 18-yard balls, and the concert never side position. But the throw is coming, and Pastor Mazo pushes the ball to Sandra Barawa, and Sandra Barawa now push the ball again into the center circle. A chance for the Biafra government in exile. I can see Obatobie. He can say put the shot. It is a goal. It is a goal. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of this match. That is to show you that we have already defeated the zoo government, and we continue to defeat them. My Prime Minister, you are highly welcome. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you. Have you heard what is? Do you know what is called Domperere? Huh?
Maybe it's a drink. I don't know.
You never heard anything like that. You didn't know me.
Since I've had it, I'm not hearing it for the first time. Domperere. I thought it's a drink.
Domperere.
No.
Is an assignment.
Okay.
Anybody that will explain it here, I would appreciate. Domperere.
Okay.
There we go.
Thank you. Welcome.
There we thank you so much. Thank you, our brother Christopher. Thank you. There is an update here. Our brother Romeo just supported with 50 Gemma, and then we move on. Prime Minister, do you have anything to tell us why we or should we continue?
No, let's continue, and please let everybody have like 1 minute, 2 minutes, please, so that I will be able to cover whatever audits I have to do today as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Please, if you're coming in, make sure that you don't exceed 1 minute, because there's so many hands up here. Nkechi, can you open your mic and speak? Nkechi, are you there?
Yeah, hello. I would like to welcome the Prime Minister with 203 Ejema. I have sent the receipt to Mazi Boniface.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Nkechi. That's a very nice one. Quick and
received. She has sent it.
Thank you so much. Sister Olewune, Sister Olewune, can you open your mic and make your submission or ask your question? Because this is a town hall meeting, but make it short, less than 1 minute.
Hi, welcome PM, welcome to the United Kingdom, and welcome to our cabinet members. Let me use this great opportunity to say thank you to Boniface for a wonderful work. He's the most humble leader I've ever seen. And it's good we are where we are today. I remember when I used to listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I still listen to him whenever I'm going to work. I've got my earphone listening. And at a point, I couldn't hear him. I was wondering what happened. Then I got the news he's been kidnapped. And then nothing happened. I wasn't hearing anybody anymore. And then our PM started broadcasting. Although he used to broadcast, but I never listened to you because Nnamdi Kanu is all I've got then. So when you came on, I was like, wow, I thought the hope we've got is lost. And it revived me so much that I don't know, I've never listened to you before. I was just going through my phone and I decided to listen to you. And then I said, because when Nnamdi Kanu speaks, and anybody that speaks like Nnamdi Kanu, you won't find it difficult to connect the two. As soon as I heard you, I said, yes, I don't think all hope is lost. And that was when I started listening to you. And that was 2001.
Please make it short.
I was expecting to hear the DOS. I wasn't hearing anything. And then somebody came, and Nnamdi Kanu's brother came to say something. Then I called in one of your programs. I said, these people have to step aside. Let you do what you have to do. And since then, I've never lost the hope we had when Nnamdi Kanu was speaking. So based on that, and based on where we are today, and we've come so far, because the fight we're fighting, 90%, I always say 90% spiritual, because what we're doing now, we've already conquered, we've already won in the spiritual realm. It's just the 10% physical that we need to accomplish, and that 10% physical, we can't get there without the support of everybody. And I'm happy you're visiting us today, and through Boniface and through our congregation, the Servants of Mary, Mother of God. I'm a Reverend Sister Dominic Olewune. Although I don't always come up with my habits on, because we got that option. The Sisters of Our Lady, Servants of Mary, Mother of God, is supporting your visit today with a sum of $300. And based on that, I'm adding my own $100 to it to say welcome, because we need to move ahead. We need to go home. I'm tired of staying in the UK. We need to go home. Welcome, my PM. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sisters. We appreciate you guys. You're doing very, very well. So we'll move on. Emelda Iyobi, please, can you open your mic and speak? Emelda, are you there?
Yes, please.
Please, less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. There's so many hands up, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Less than 1 minute, please.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My PM, I'm delighted to see you again in our midst.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanking you for being a good guy. And I'm supporting with a sum of 200 ejema.
Thank you so much, Imelda. We appreciate you. Thank you for your support. The next person on the list is Josephine Amadi Ebu. Josephine, please open your mic and speak. Josephine, are you close to your mic?
Yes, I am now. Yeah, I'm now close to my mic.
Okay, less than 1 minute, please.
Good evening, everybody. I welcome our PM, the Obato Obie one of Biafra. I've already donated our widow's mite of 50 Njema in the with Boniface, and I just want to see our great PM's face to face and say welcome. No, we are so grateful that we have somebody like you. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm happy with the UK. We don't have concern at all. We are following, what a PM is doing. That's why most people are not asking questions, because we're following you bomber to bomber. Yeah. The next person is Don Ezeku. Don Ezeku, please open your mic.
Good evening, PM.
Please, less than 1 minute. Please, less than 1 minute. Done.
I will do my best to make it snappy, because with him, if I want to talk, I can go on and go on as I love him so much. But I leave it out with many things has trespassed. And there's even a broadcast I had today, which most of the things he said, it looks like it reads my mind. I read his mind. It was there. I put a link on this very message. If somebody didn't understand it very much and used a rash word, but that's by the by. I'm just pushing for people to go and vote. and go and vote and go and vote and go and vote as much as they can do. Okay, even if some of them can't do it, let them get in touch with me. I will provide to them data to be able to do it. Okay, I'll provide as much as I can, especially people from Ezza and the state and Enugu state. That's where I'm coming from. Okay, so my PM, I think my face is not quite unfamiliar. I just thank God for your life. I said, I'm not going to talk, because if I talk, about 2 or 3 months ago, I had a very rough accident. Somebody damaged my car. I'm retired, damaged my Tesla car, and it has been a nightmare since then, but all the same, my widow's mite is always still there, okay? I'm going to welcome you with, what we're doing, because it's a routine with a 50 HM. I will try and send it to Boniface, who is doing a very marvelous work. Thank you. I appreciate you. And I say,
thank you so much. Thank you, Mazidon. Thank you so much. We appreciate your good work. Thank you. The next person on the list is Ikechukwu Ejimako. Please open your mic and ask your question or make your comment in less than 1 minute.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, PM. My name is Ikechukwu Ejimako. The Ejimako, I actually come here this evening to recognize with you people. It's been long. I've been following you, PM. It's been long. I've been following your tweets and everything you've been doing. To be frank with you, you've made Southeast a good place, because without you, by now, we must have been like or Sambisa Forest. But because of your resistance, it has really helped us a lot. I said, let me thank you especially, because most times people ask me questions concerning you and other things. I said, well, this is a struggle. Agitation mustn't come from one person, it can come from different angles. So let everyone do whatever he or she can do to make sure we arrive at one goal. So that is my defense most of the times. So I thank you very much. We appreciate you. Some people love what you're doing, but you may not know, because you're over there and we are here. But the report is out there. So I said, let me thank everyone.
And by Dalon Linno, only if Conisi, when I saw any many rock on Pasinketa, as a Copasinketa Mano Noma, I think which by 0, and the Cosidi, and the Kindle, if I be a Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki Biabo, Iabo, Ibo Media, Kaisi when you tell Nukozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Kubasta Makaya Beef. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endali ne BIAFRA Prime Minister Kuniro. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media.